Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina here with a weekly review of Forex and stock markets on Insta TV. On Friday, the S&P 500 index posted the biggest intraday increase in almost 2 months, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average showed the largest gain in 7 months, mainly due to a stronger than expected jobs report, which triggered more confidence among investors. Despite Friday's steady rise, all the benchmark indices finished the week in the negative territory. On Friday, the S&P 500 rose by 21.73 points to 1,967.90. The healthcare and financial sectors led the gains. At the same time, oil and mining stocks were among the worst performers on the S&P 500. The Dow Jones Industrial Average went up by 1.2% to 17,009.69 points, while the Nasdaq Composite climbed by 1% to 4,475.62. The U.S. economy created 248,000 jobs in September, and hiring was much higher in August than economists had predicted. The jobless rate fell to 5.9%, falling below the 6% mark for the first time since 2008. The U.S. trade deficit shrank by 0.5% to $40.1 billion in August, which is the lowest level since January, as exports of petroleum reached a record amount while imports slumped. The U.S. services sector demonstrated slower growth in September after hitting the highest level since 2008 in August. Takmira Pharmaceuticals Corporation shares gained 16% on the news about more Ebola cases in the U.S. Takmira is one of biotech companies working on treatments for the Ebola virus. Takmira Pharmaceuticals is preparing to launch a clinical trial of its early-stage Ebola drug that may start this year. The company's stocks rallied 27% late Tuesday, along with the shares of other biotech companies working on potential treatments. The Takmira shares have appreciated 165% since the beginning of the year, while the S&P 500 is up only by 6.7%. JP Morgan Chase & Company reported a cybersecurity attack which took place this summer. Contact information of about 76 million households and about 7 million small businesses was compromised. However, the largest U.S. bank by assets said financial information was safe, as well as customer money, as there was no breach of any logins, passwords, dates of birth, social security numbers, or account numbers. During Friday's session, the bank equities edged up by 2.48% to a closing level of $60.30. The commodity sector was under pressure as falling gold prices affected miners, while a decline in oil prices influenced energy shares. Asian markets closed higher and European stock indices recovered after drastic sell-offs seen on Thursday. And this was the latest weekly review of financial markets prepared for you by our InstaForexx team. See you next week. Bye.